And here we are, kebab patrol, because she's clearly starving. And yeah, the fog is back. So yesterday forecast is the temperatures in the mountains will go up, while here in the lowlands, Lizika, no daiva. Dost, zisi păd. Lizzy, haide, Rimo. Dost. While here in the lowlands will stay the same. So currently it's -1. And of course it's Saturday morning. You know, during the week I have to wake her up. She is like, no, we cannot go, it's too early. On Saturday and Sunday she's up, we have to go. Yeah. She wants to meet with Nara, but yeah, I moved my thumb because it's cold and it stopped recording. As I was saying, you know, she has already met Nara 2 days in a row this week, but yeah, she has to go. She has to go and meet him. Yeah, hopefully the weather will be a little bit better in the afternoon for our long walk, because you know, if it's foggy, there is basically no need to go to the pond. No reason to go there, because you cannot see anything. And as you can see, Liza's leading the way where she wants to go. And yeah, today, once again in the morning, today at 4 a.m., someone threw a mega somewhere around here. Once again, I got woken up. So I don't know what is now this some kind of new tradition. Instead of throwing firecrackers, Peva, in the middle of the night or evenings, you threw them early morning to wake everyone up. No paymo, Lizika. No paymo. Yeah, this year police has already seized several dozen firecrackers from underage people. On Monday, I believe, in Jesenice, there were kids that, during the day, that were throwing firecrackers around. So there were 2, let's say, investigations, and in one case, I think he was like 12, he threw a firecracker in a group of other kids, Luckily, nobody was hurt, but one parka or a jacket or, you know, something similar got damaged, you know. And of course, because he's 12, the police can only refer it to the CSD, our Centar za socijalno delo, Social Works Center. Oh, yeah. No, smo tukaj pridi. Joj, jezika. And yeah, on the 24th of December, there was a small fire in one of our old folks' home. Luckily, no injuries, no casualties, just, damage to the building. Yeah, as I was saying, you still have to be careful. So yeah, yesterday we were basically right around here when over there the mega went off. Oh yeah, okay, we will end on this point. It's cold.